What's going on, guys? Welcome back to JAJ TV. I hope you're all doing well. And in today's video, I'm going to be installing a new short shifter to my Fiesta ST200, which is pretty much one of the first modifications I'm going to be doing to it. My friend Colin's going to come around and help fit it because I'm not confident in my own abilities to do so. So he's done this sort of stuff before, so he was like, yeah, I'll come and do it. So it makes my life a lot easier. Also gets him involved in the videos and stuff like that. You have seen him before. He was at a bath day with me. If you watch that video, I'll link it somewhere up here. But yeah, Car Enhancements UK have been the ones that have sent me this. Sent me the short shifter. It's an Airtec short shifter, so it's going to be a really interesting one to see kind of how it transforms the drive of my car. But yeah, I'm looking forward to just cracking on with it. There probably will be a discount code in the description of this video as well as the link to Car Enhancements UK's website. So yeah, go and check them out. If you want to get the short shifter after this video, make sure you just go down there, use a discount code that will hopefully be available to you. Get started. If you are new around here, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. It means a world to me. And if you turn on post notifications, that little bell thing, that really does help because it keeps you updated with the content that I produce. If you are new, then I produce automotive, aviation, flight sim, gaming, all that sort of cool stuff. And if you like that sort of stuff like I do, then join me along that journey. It'd be great to have you along with that. So yeah, back to the car park. There's the ST200. We're now joined by Connor, who's going to be fitting it for us today with his new little Polo GT, which he bought for his missus because he's nice like that. Right, there we go. There's a little toolbox and stuff down there. Where is the short shifter? Have you got it out? Oh, it's there. So this is what they've sent us over. I'm going to drop my keys in there. This is the Airtec short shifter which we've been sent to fit to the car from Car Enhancements UK. So yeah, we're just going to go through with you guys how we're going to fit it. And then oh, it's dropped his screwdriver. So we've got to take off the air filter first, isn't it?
Yeah.
Unplug the MAF sensors and everything. And then yeah, is the airbox coming out?
Okay. It will do, yeah.
Yeah, the airbox will come out because we need to get under there somewhere to be able to actually unplug everything and change over to this thing. So it gets really fiddly, so that's about it really. So you see that thing just there, which I'm zooming in on, it's that little grey thing down there, isn't it? Like yeah. There.
That's right.
That's the what we're swapping out. Some of the stuff to go with it. So we're taking the airbox out now. Makes it easier to get to. There we go. So this top bit's meant to literally just sit on top, I'm presuming. Right, it's in position there.
Oh yes.
Caught it just. So you got to put the bolts into whichever one suits, I'm guessing. Things look so fiddly.
Yep. It's not even properly.
It's just in there. It's just a really fiddly place to be working. You had to move this little hose thing here, move it out of the way. Well, we've lost an Allen key. Great, it's lost in the engine somewhere. Did say it was fiddly, so pre-warned to everyone that does fit these. So this should reduce my gear throws by about 25%. Right, so that's the wire back on. Which should now allow for us to gear change with some 25% throw less. And we're just plugging all the stuff back in, but we'll leave that for the moment. We don't usually have to take these off, but we just did because it made life easier for us. Connor thought you should take the battery out because it just gives you all that room to work with, but just got to fit all the bits and bobs back now and then we're all good to go. Yeah, it's all moving now, boy. We're just changing up the gears on the car just to see if it's working properly. It's so cool how the gear changes work on this. Is it sticking anywhere?
No.
That's good. Awesome. So put the airbox back in now. That's it, that's back in. That's all we're doing today. So move the hose around a little bit, isn't it? Get that airflow going. Just trying to get it back in now. It's always easier getting it out than it is in. Waiting for Connor's funny phrase then. I know what you were thinking.
Considering it.
That's now back on. Just got to put the hose back on now. Clip these things back into place. And then we should all be gravy. And we'll give it a little... we'll take it out for a ride, however... I will make a different video on that showing you what it's like. While Connor's finishing that up, quick question for everyone. Apparently, hand in hand with the short shifter, the rear torque mount really adds some a different drivability to the car. So I am looking to get that as well. If you would like to see that video, leave a like and I'll leave a comment saying yeah you want to see it, because then I can chat to Car Enhancements UK, see if they want to help out with that. And yeah, then we can do a video for you on kind of the drivability with the rear torque mount and the short shifter both installed at the same time, because apparently from what I've heard it really does transform the way the car drives. So yeah, leave a like and a comment if you want to see that.
Grabbing the engine cover.
Right, here we go. Last bit to go back on. There you go, boy. Now we'll take it out for a little joyride, shall we? Well, I'll record another video basically showcasing my thoughts on the quick shift. I just want to give it a try out and make sure it actually works first before I go into any detail on kind of how much it transforms with drivability.
Make sure you can actually change gear.
Yeah, exactly. But there we go. We don't want to go halfway down the motorway or something like that and find out the gears don't work. Right, so everything's been fitted to the car now. We have tested it out, it works. It feels nice. But I'll get into that on another video, in the next one hopefully. It has transformed the way it drives. It feels a lot better. But yeah, look forward to that in the next one. But yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, then please leave a like below and let me know in the comment section if you want to see that rear torque mount or the torque mount video. So Car Enhancements UK are the best people to probably go to get them parts. Reliable, good price as well, and they offer so many different brands. So yeah, I should have a discount code down below as well in the video. But yeah, just go and check that down below in the description. Check the link, go and check them out, see what they've got, and just yeah, embrace all the cool car parts that you can buy from them and the aesthetics and all that sort of stuff. But yeah, thanks for watching guys. I'll catch you in the next one, and turn on them post notifications to stay up to date with the next content, especially for the rear torque mount video. So yeah, peace.